Hello everyone. It's a pleasure to have you, and it's a pleasure also to share this video to everyone who love to have their own websites without breaking a bank. I want to introduce to you Kinnect Africa AI Builder. That is, using Kinnect Africa to build your own website free of charge. What is Kinnect Africa? Kinnect Africa is a platform where we can boost our businesses, that can help us to boost our businesses with the facilities of this platform called Kinnect Africa. We have 5 departments on this platform that we can use to enrich ourselves by boosting our businesses, such as listing of our business, creating a free website on our business with this AI Kinnect Africa AI Builder. On this video, I want to quickly show us how we can use this platform to build our website free of charge. Before you can do that, you must be a registered member. Either you register as a free member. We have 3 ways of registering on this platform called Kinnect Africa. Either you will register as a free member, you will register as a premium, or the G100. You can see on this dashboard, it says subscribe to G100. You can register as a free member and still create your website free of charge. Now, here is my dashboard, and what I need to do now is that I want to create my website using this platform to create. You can see create AI using AI website builder. Here, just click it like this, so it will take me to where I will start my website. Now, if I want to, if I'm new, you can click start now. Here, if you click start now, so it will take you to this place. You can see you can generate your website free of charge. You can use this basic, upgrade to basic, and you have, for people that don't have website, if you want to register as a free member, you can have just one website. So drag and drop builder, yes, you have 50 MB as this the capacity, this space, and you have workspace on your website as a free member. If you choose to use the basic, that is you upgrade by paying 10,000 naira, you have 10 websites. That is, if you pay 10,000 naira, if you subscribe as a 10,000 naira, with 10,000 naira, you are going to have 10 good websites. That is, after building your website, you can sell the remaining 9 to people and still build a website for them. You have drag and drop builder, you have a storage, 1 gig storage, and you have a custom domain. So if you use this basic, you are going to get a custom domain. You can have ads, that is, you can advertise on your website. You show ads on your website, then you can download your project. If you choose free, you might not be able to download your project here. So now, if you upgrade from this basic to the another package that is standard, by paying 20,000 naira to this platform, you are going to get 100 sites, 100 websites. At least you can build 100 websites using this platform. But now, what I want to show us is how to use this platform to build our website. Now, as a free member, just click on get started. So if you are new, if you haven't created this account, you are going to be asked to create an account. But now I have created my own account. What I want to do is I just want to click on login. So I'll click on the login. Let me click on it, so it will log me to my account. This is where it will take me to. So here is my page. You can see this is my email, this is my name, my username. So it's taking me there. So branded domain, I must buy to do my project. If I have any project there, this is what I'll click, and it will show me if I have project. As a basic, you can have 10 websites to build. So if I have any of the 10 projects, if I have done it, I click my project here, all what I've done will show. But here is a plain that I just want to start my website. Now what I need to do is that new site. You click on the new site, it will bring you to the template. These are the templates that you can choose from. You can see we have a lot of templates here, so you can choose from any of the templates. Whatever you choose, you can preview it and start working on your website. So we have a lot of templates. You can see you can scroll to any of the one you like. So if you get it, you view it, and you can start working on it. So now we have a lot of websites. So you can see this is web hosting. This is you can view any of the templates. If you are a painter, you can use this as a painter just to check any of the template that you love, then you choose from any of them. So for the for this class, let me just choose one and show you how to edit it to make your. Now let's quickly view this. Let's view it. You can see this is the one I chose. So I've choose this template to be used as my website. If you want to change it to yes, mobile, this is how it will look on your phone. This is how it will look on your phone. You can see this is how the website will look on your phone. This is the mobile view of the website. So let me go back to the desktop. Now if I want to use this template, I will just click use this template. You can see now. Let me give it name. Let me name my site. Let me name it. You can see Oracle Studio. So now this is what I want to create. So that means I've created my website. So what I need to do now is just to do what? Just to start editing it. These are what I have on the template. Now let me change this so that you see how the edition will go. Now it's a better solution for your business. Now let me change it to my own website name. You can see Oracle Studio for your best adverts video. Yeah, you can see I've changed it to my own name, to my own something. That is how to edit. You can edit everything. You can change this. If you want to change this, you can change it. You can see, let me go and upload. Let me go and upload my something from my. Let me go and upload. So you can see I want to upload my. Here is my. I want to upload. You can see I've changed it to my own logo. So that is it. You can see. So I'm saving it. So that is how you can change everything on the site. Here, if you want to change it, you can change it. Let me change this as well. So if you want to change it, you can change anything on it. So let me save that as that. So you can edit anything. Everything on this site is editable. That is how you edit your own website. You can edit everything on the template. You can edit everything on the template to bring it to your own level. To bring it to your own level. So after doing that, then you proceed to where you see, as you are editing, there is save here. You can see save here under it. So once I click save, that means even if I leave this page and I come back to it next time, I will make it where I stop. Then I can continue. If I don't have time to finish it now, but if you have time, you can finish it within 1 hour. You can complete your website and go and get your domain. You know, when I started, I show you how to get where if you can get a free domain or you can have your own domain. After domain, then you contact the customer care of Kinnect Africa to host this website for you, and it will be live. You can just use your domain. You know, this is the domain I say, tag builder cloud editor. So that is, I'm using it now. This is what will be showing as my website. But after completing it, after doing the editing, so and I host, I will pay for my domain name. So it's with a little amount of money, very, very small amount of money. You can contact, and if you have your own domain that you want to use, you can buy your domain and host it. Immediately you host it, your website will be live. This is how you can use Kinnect Africa's AI builder to build your website. So this is how you can use Kinnect Africa to build your website. So now you can see I've saved it again. So for every member of Kinnect Africa, you have access. You have free access to build your website and configure your website from your dashboard to navigate to the Kinnect AI builder page, then complete your website free of charge. Thank you. I want you to subscribe to this channel. If you have any issue on completing your website on this website, you can contact the customer care of Kinnect Africa. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and share this video for other people that need website. Thank you.